This last section, I'm going to be trying to find what the whole number is if I know the percent and the part. So this is where it gets a little wonky in here, but we can do this, right? Following my formula, P over W equals the decimal. All right. I'm setting this thing up like I did the other ones, except obviously it's giving me 55%. So if I take 55%, I got to make this a decimal to use in my formula. So I just divide it by 100. All right. So I know that my part in this case is 550. So I go 550 is my part. I don't know my whole in, but I do know my decimal is 0.55, just 55 divided by 100. Now, cool thing about math, okay, is that you start to find little tricks. I can easily do this. Multiply this by 1 over 0.55. Take this side and go W over 1, and times this by W over 1, and put 1 over 55 over on this side. You guys see this big mess I'm making? Okay, and ultimately I would end up with this. 550 divided by 0.55 is equal to W, or, right, this is my big or. I'm going to show you what I would do, is learn a little trick I learned a long time ago, all right, when doing something like this, is that these two guys can swap spots. So I'm going to do a double arrow. That's what this is for. I can easily move that into that position and put 550 here, put 0.55 here, and put my W here, which makes this a whole lot easier when we start doing problems like this. For example, if I put this in my calculator, 550 divided by back 0.55, I get the number 1,000, right? So I get 1,000 equals W, which is what we have right here, okay? So I'm going to show you this trick on the next one, right? Once again, I'm going to take my part, once again, is 70. So it's P over W equals my decimal. My part is 70. I don't know what my whole is. My decimal, I have to take 35% and make it a decimal. So it's 35 divided by 100 is equal to 0.35. Now these guys switch parts, okay? So it'd be 70 divided by 0.35 is going to give me my whole. Let's go to my calculator. 70 divided by 0.35, it says 200. And that's what we get over here. So 200 equals W. We'll do the last one. Show this always works. The part over the whole equals the decimal. My is, D is 78, right? Is 78 is going to be my part, 78. D of D is going to be my whole. I don't know what that is, so I just put a D here. Unfortunately, it matches this D, but we'll go with it anyways. And 52%, we got divided by 100, so that's equal to 0.52. These guys will switch spots, so it's 78 divided by 0.52 is equal to my D, which will be my whole number. Let's try this out. It's 78 divided by 0.52. Answer is 150, and that's what it says down here. 150 equals D. So that's how you do the last one. Of course, this was 11-9. You're trying to find the whole number.